get you a honey ride round when you're done. I try to protect you from the lies that you have won. A dream where it's always sunny, you're sick and turned on. So don't you fall alone, alone.
So, after a very exhausting day, we have finally arrived in Hundar. We are staying at this beautiful hotel. What's it called? We are so exhausted, we don't remember the name of our hotel. Very sorry. Not Changla. Alright, whatever. I mean, bikes have had a pretty rough day. We have had a pretty rough day. But the journey was really once in a lifetime experience. I see grainy footage coming there. So, Hundar is a fairly small settlement, I would say, but a lot of small hotels here. You can easily find your way getting a comfortable accommodation with all the basic necessities. However, I wish the roads were better. It was just a 120 kilometer drive, but it took us almost 9 hours. 9 hours. Yes, we did spend some time at Khardungla Pass. We did spend some time there at Khardungla Pass. That was almost about 30 odd minutes or 45 minutes. And that was about it. Otherwise, what an amazing experience. The terrain is something, I feel not about the destination but about the journey. The views of the mountains that you're going to see are just breathtaking. Lot of rivers, but very treacherous terrain, I must warn you. It's not for amateur bike riders. You really need to know. Must have a lot of gear with you, first aid. So not carrying the right kind of rider gloves for the bike. I got a frost bite, because the temperature was almost freezing at Khardungla Pass, and when we were driving down, I did not perhaps realize that something was happening, since we were so engrossed in our experience, just breathing in every moment. And so you really need to prepare well. If you are coming to this part of the country, you need to have a resolve to deal with uncertainties at the moment. For example, you may set a timeline, but you may not be able to make it. Like, for example, in Leh, we really had a great time because it was quite predictable, the areas that we were planning to visit, but it's not the case with Hundar, mainly because of roads are pretty rough. And if you are leaving from Leh, I'm sure most of the people who start their journey towards Nubra Valley, Leh is the hub from where they leave. So we'd recommend that you start early and carry your gear, warm clothes, and I would suggest definitely whatever luggage you are carrying, whatever it may be, just have rain covers or any kind of cover to just wrap it up, because by the time you reach Hundar, you'll be carrying a sand dune with you in person. So probably your hotel's drains are gonna get choked with all the dust that you have gathered on the way. But nevertheless, the journey is amazing and views are breathtaking. We are lucky to be here at this night, at this amazing place. So we spoke to the guy who's the manager here, who runs the place. He told us that yes, late at night you can see a lot of clear skies. If the weather is clear, you can have a Hanle kind of experience in Hundar as well, in terms of stargazing. That's really amazing experience. So tomorrow we are going to leave Hundar. We have had some crazy experience doing ATV rides, sand dunes. That was just another world. The mountains, especially here, the kind of mineral composition, or I don't know what it has. It's just amazing to look at. And so there is a rough patch so we start from Leh till Khardungla. It's pretty rough. Once you leave Khardungla, just 10 miles post the Khardungla Pass, the roads are amazing. And then in between, Khalsar, yes, that's where the problem starts. So there is a lot of work in progress in terms of upliftment of the roads and facilities, but pretty well connected. You'll face very limited challenge in terms of access to top up the fuel or connectivity. Yeah, this is limited to 4G here in Hundar, but yes, most of the hotels have decent Wi-Fi, so that should just get you by. So please plan your travel well in advance, book your hotels. We had a very bad experience, in Sonmarg, where we initially had not booked our hotels, and the pass was closed, and we were hunting for one at 11 o'clock. We were lucky to find this hotel country and yeah. So we are waiting for our luck by chance, in case if we are able to get any opportunity to do some stargazing. It's a little windy but clear skies. It's so tonight the weather forecast says 1 degree, so please carry your winter clothes, and so you'll have to layer yourself according to the situation. Like in Leh, it's the sun, it just bites. The elevation is high, the UV index is really high, so that's a different topography. You need to carry just normal clothes. It wasn't really that cold there, but beyond Leh, Khardungla, Zanskar Valley, Nubra Valley, Pangong, these places get really cold, so you need to plan well. So we'll call it a day here, and We'll continue our journey tomorrow. So ciao and see you tomorrow then.
Yes.
All right.